In this video, I'm going to share some real talk on how to nail your home improvement projects without losing your mind or your wallet. Whether you're thinking about remodeling your kitchen, fixing up that leaky roof, or just giving your place a fresh new vibe, these tips will get you on the right track fast. So, first off, always start with a solid plan before you even pick up a hammer. Know what you want, set a budget that won't make you broke, and stick to it like glue. Next, don't skip on researching materials. Sometimes spending a little more upfront saves you tons down the line. If you're hiring pros, check their reviews and ask for references so you don't get stuck with a nightmare contractor. Also, keep a clear timeline, but be ready to flex because things rarely go exactly as planned. When you're doing DIY work, always use the right tools and safety gear. Trust me, it's worth it. Don't forget to get any necessary permits before starting big jobs. This can save you from major headaches with local authorities. And finally, keep communication open with everyone involved, whether it's family members or hired help, so no one's left in the dark about what's going on. One of the biggest screw-ups I see is underestimating the budget. People often forget to add a buffer for unexpected costs, which ends up blowing their whole plan. Another common trap is rushing the planning stage. Jumping straight into work without a clear design or goals usually means wasted time and money. The third mistake is ignoring permits and local rules. Skipping these can lead to fines or having to redo work that doesn't pass inspection. To fix these, I always recommend doubling down on your budget research, putting in extra time up front to map things out clearly, and checking with your city or county before you start swinging tools. By the way, bighomeprojects.com is pretty awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. If you're a contractor yourself looking for more gigs, they make it super easy to connect with people in your area who need your services. It's like having a reliable buddy in the home improvement world, helping everyone get things done right without all the usual drama.